I've not got a temperature thing. I'm not as fancy as you, eh?
I nearly got wiped out the other day.
Yeah.
It's coming through Brooks from me, and luckily I was only doing about 30 mile an hour. White van just cut right out in front of me, coming out the side of that where Mingus used to be, you know.
Aye.
I was like, for fuck's sake. I was like, mate. And he's like, oh, I'm sorry and all that. I said, I wouldn't be fucking sorry if I was splattered against the side of your van, you know.
I like that cyclist we picked up off the road this morning.
Ah, exactly. Oh, it feels good to be out again.
Aye.
Tell you what, this seat is a lot more comfortable.
Yeah. It'll be interesting to see if that wee screen that I've added makes any difference. That should have been smoke, but they sent me a clear one.
That's AliExpress with me.
I know. Ach, it was only a £5 or £6, eh?
It's throwaway then at that price, isn't it, really?
I've got the Allen keys in my bag just in case I am going to throw it away. If it lasts the trip.
Yeah.
16 degrees.
16.
No, mine's buggered. Mine's still showing 21.
So.
I've got a woolly jumper on. I might need to stop at a services if it gets too warm.
That's why I took the liner outside with the jacket.
Aye. Look at you with your Furigan matching bottoms now, Alec.
Yeah, it's well fucking snob.
I know,
Matching fucking pyjamas.
Typical GS driver, you know what I mean?
Aye, exactly.
Jealousy will get you. £60 off them.
Aye. Aye, you look good.
Over the park.
It's
No,
not
like German.
right. I now need you to the bike.
Aye.
Right, for fuel.
Yep. How are you, John?
Yeah, I'm alright. I can hear it pretty fine.
No, how are you for fuel?
Oh, I fueled up. I'm fine.
Good. See, Alex doesn't need to worry about fuel, eh? Because he's like a bloody tanker.
Here, eh?
Aye. He's like a tanker. State of this road, eh? I think they'd sweep all this rubbish up as well, eh? Look at the state of it. It is warm, eh?
Yep. Oh, bus. The bus go by.
That's a coach, boys. That's a coach.
It's a fucking bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round.
All day long. What's going on up here? Roadworks. There's the roadworks sign. I hear you now, Alec. Where was your mic? On your chin curtain?
Good round of my chin.
Aye, that's nae good when it's round about your chinny chin. Just remember, I'm the big bad wolf.
That's Dick trying to come home.
And this is a bloody Sunday. Unreal, eh?
What we'll do, we'll go off at shots.
Yeah.
Do fucking far this goes.
This will probably be like this while they went to Glasgow.
Move over, you fucking dick.
Yeah, that guy moved there for us now and moved into it.
You can get through, you used to even get through.
Yeah, I'm going through. though.
Aye, I don't have the panniers on today. I scratched my panniers, John, I pushed the bike into the garage, I forgot I had the panniers on, and I rattled the right hand pannier off the wall,
Aye, I said that last time, mate.
I don't care, it's... What's done's done, I'm not going to lose sleep over it.
Point me.
Just adds character to it, I can see it's been on a big adventure, Well, it will be next year.
You listen back.
Aye. That was when we came back for, was it when we came back for Lothian that I done it, Alec?
I think it was before that.
Was it before that? What are you indicating for? There's 600 yards before the road merges, and they've got to merge away back at the 800 yard mark. Absolute bangers. Honestly. And you want to merge right now and you've got 400 yards?
This guy in this van's just stopped me everybody for going forward. He's a fucking dick.
Well, he's going to have to get...
There's something for him.
He's going to have to get the message, Why are they merging away back there when the merge is up here?
Fucking canny dry.
Look at all the fucking gap there is up here.
Aye, this is where the merge is. No back there, no at the 800 yard mark.
The guy in the van should be fucking up here, not back there.
Aye, it's the car. It was a car in front of him. It was fucking on. Aye, that guy in the van behind us. Aye.
Aye, but you know what they do when traffic starts to slow? They get their phones out and then check their Facebook, their Snapchat, their TikTok, and all this shite.
Yeah.
I see it every day. I see it at work every single day. This 20 mile an hour. This 20 mile an hour in the cities and that. That is the worst thing that they've ever done, because the drivers drive about with their phone in their hand.
Phones out, aye.
Because they're doing a slower speed. They think it's safer. And they're on their phone, they're TikToking, Facebooking, checking emails, God knows what they're doing. And if it's not in their hand, it's on their lap. I see it every single day. I don't know how the police can't see it.
How often do you see a police car out there, mate?
Very few and far between.
Yeah, honest.
What's your gravel?
I see it in the middle.
Gravel.
Go down the hard hill? I don't think we can. No, we can't.
Oh, the services will not be happy with that,
Fucking move over.
They don't want to, mate. They don't like the fact you're going through them.
I know.
Listen here. It's your fucking game.
Alec, just rev bomb them or kick their mirrors off. Then they put up with their fucking pish. Or their fud with a roof box. See, if you see a roof box, John, you know that they're an absolute melt.
When watching these comes drive.
I know.
Don't you dare cut across here, you fucking fanny.
It's like the Dodgems.
And?
See what I mean? They just pull in.
Oh, this guy's fucking. Look at him!
Just
This
rev.
guy's just shut my gap.
Just rev bomb them, John.
I use his fuel. Roadworks have just come up with my foot. Jesus.
I mind there.
But this is a Sunday. These Muppets should be
I
in their
know.
house.
Painting or something.
Aye.
Grass. Cut my grass would be better.
They should be sitting in their house watching all their daytime rubbish on the telly. There's another tip with a fucking tent on the roof. You know, I love it when I see it in the paper that somebody's standing there with a sad face beside their car with a missing tent.
I know, because we went on night.
Aye, on the roof of their car because somebody's robbed it. And where did they rob it? Oh, in the city centre. Well, should you not have been out in your fucking tent? On the roof of your car. Hey, just a few miles of difference, eh?
We're in the Riviera, boys.
Yep. But that fog, that's just hung over West Lothian for the last 3 days in Edinburgh.
Yeah. It's just Harrow for the fourth, isn't it?
Aye. Got to move that forth, I'm getting sick of it, eh? Fucking drain it.
What a lovely day.
It's beautiful out here, eh? I always say that.
I need this to fill my batteries.
Yeah.
West
Your
is
vitamin-
best.
Was it B6 or something?
B vitamin D.
Vitamin D, that's it. Yeah, somewhere.
No, Alex has got new batteries for his solar, eh? And since he's had them fitted, it's been foggy.
You going off, boy?
Honest to God, man, where does all this traffic come from, eh?
It's all going to Loch Lomond, mate. Tell you. Everybody's all the same thing I did. It's going to be nice in Loch
This-
Lomond today.
This must be going right across the fucking Erskine Bridge.
Probably.
Ugh.
What's that fucking thing going that rat?
Ratty, ratty,
Right,
ratty.
innit?
I'm in it. Ah.
Ah.
Oh, I can't ride on that rut because I'm going to end up with a semi. You going round him, Alec? Because he's been a tit. He's going to end up losing a mirror.
Get fucking in, man. What are you fucking waiting on, man? He's indicating to get in. What the fuck are you not going in for?
What's he playing at?
I don't know.
He's got his left indicator on. He knows he's...
Aye. No, what the fuck is he?
Fuck's sake.
I know, it's
Yeah.
absolute
The tail all the way.
pish.
Fuck me, man.
The fuck?
It's pish. Honestly, the place is fully fucking melts, isn't it? There's a fair bit of blue light activity today, eh? Mind you, no
Oh,
wonder.
these cars, man. There'll be crashes everywhere.
Aye.
All these fucking melts in their motors.
Yep, exactly.
Why are you hanging so far behind?
Because they're
It
arseholes.
just escalates it.
Yep, that's all it does. That's when you
Good
get...
thing is I've got my visor up there, so I'm getting a bit of air.
Aye.
Oh, it's good there.
So when you leave the big gaps like this is when you get the dinglings fucking changing lanes, eh? And that's how they crash.
Right, that one just did.
Aye.
And he's back again. He's just fucking dipped there and then back again.
Aye.
Fucking,
Melt.
honestly.
Absolute
the
melts. See if they want to make progress, just buy
Driving an electric
buy a
motor,
bike.
BMW.
Aye.
Oh. You know what through.
Aye. At least he's moved over the BMW driver,
Okay,
thank you.
okay.
The white van's moved over, he's a good lad.
HGV coming through. Heavy goods bike.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Hey, white car. Fucking move out of here, prick. Look up. Boom, he's moved it as far to the fucking white line as you could go.
Aye.
That pisses him off.
I mean, why is he sitting in the white line?
Fucking bit.
Aye. No. Dick is a useful thing.
Fucking melt. Right, John, out you come.
Up a melt, I'm fucking melting.
I looked at him. He wasn't happy, eh?
Fuck him. City order.
Aye.
Confident here.
Aye.
Aye.
I'm just in this BP garage.
It's a fucking pint I need, no a coffee. Having to deal with all them melts.
Oh, this is the one with the, no.
Aye.
No. Is this the one with the big massive hole
Yep,
that you got out?
yep, the big
Aye.
the big crater.
Trench.
Aye, the crater's still there. Oh, got a couple of craters here as well.
The fucking worst idea I had the day when these fucking bottoms.
Oh, you've been fucking choking to wear them all week.
I was fucking freezing. Well, that was a fucking joke and a half
What's
getting
up?
heat, eh?
It's a hole, man.
That's off in the day, eh?
Look at that, right in a hole. Look at you with your... You need to get the trousers dirty to match your top. Starbucks.